at the bank. Anne needs to open a bank account and is a little nervous. David's supportive and helps by asking clarifying questions. The bank teller is a professional, friendly, and clear-speaking bank employee. Scene. Anne and David walk into a clean, modern bank branch. It's quiet with a few customers. Anne takes a deep breath. Okay, here we go. I have to admit, I'm a little nervous. It feels like such an official, grown-up thing to do.
You'll be fine. It's a straightforward process, and I'm right here with you. We just need to wait for a teller to become free.
I have all my documents in my folder, just like you told me to, my passport and my new apartment lease.
Perfect. That's all you should need. Look, that window is opening up. Let's go.
They walk up to the counter where a bank teller smiles at them.
Good afternoon. How can I help you today?
Hello, I'd like to open a new bank account, please.
I'd be happy to help with that. Are you looking to open a checking account, a savings account, or perhaps both?
I'm not entirely sure. This is my first time opening an account here. What's the main difference between them?
That's a great question. A checking account is designed for your everyday transactions. It comes with a debit card, and you can use it to pay bills, go shopping, and withdraw cash easily. A savings account is meant for putting money away for the long term. It usually offers a higher interest rate, but has limits on how many withdrawals you can make each month.
I see. Thank you for explaining that. For now, I think a checking account is exactly what I need for my daily expenses. An excellent choice. We have a very popular basic checking account. Would you like to hear about its features? Yes, please. It comes with a debit card, full access to our online banking platform and mobile app, and there are no monthly maintenance fees if you maintain a minimum balance of $500.
What happens if the balance drops below $500? Is there a fee?
Yes, in that case, there would be a small monthly fee of $10. We also offer overdraft protection as an optional feature. That all sounds very clear. The basic checking account sounds perfect for me. Wonderful. To get the application started, I'll just need 2 forms of identification, please. A passport or a driver's license would be great. Of course. Here is my passport. Will a foreign driver's license work as a second ID? Yes, that's perfectly fine. Examines the documents. Thank you. And I will also need a proof of your current address. I have a copy of my signed lease agreement for my new apartment. Will this work? Yes, that's exactly what we need. Thank you, Miss Forrester. Now I just have a short application form for you to fill out with your personal details. The teller gives Anne a form on a clipboard. She fills it out. Okay, I think I filled everything in correctly.
This looks perfect. Thank you. Just give me a few moments to enter this into our system. This is going very smoothly.
It is. She's being very helpful.
All right, Miss Forrester, your new checking account is officially open. Congratulations.
That's great. Thank you.
Here's a pamphlet with your new account number and our bank's routing number. Your debit card will be printed with your name and mailed to your address. It should arrive within 7 to 10 business days.
Okay, so I can't use the account until the card arrives?
You can use the account right away for deposits and online transfers. You just need the card to make purchases or use an ATM. Would you like to make an initial deposit today to activate the account?
Yes, I would. I'd like to deposit $500 in cash, please.
Certainly.
And takes $500 from her purse and gives it to the teller, who counts it and processes it through a machine.
Okay, I have deposited $500 into your new checking account. Your current balance is $500. Here is your receipt for the transaction.
Thank you very much.
So once your card arrives, she can use it to withdraw money from an ATM, correct? That's right. When the card arrives, she will need to call a number to activate it and set her 4-digit PIN. After that, she can withdraw cash from any of our ATMs for free.
What about using another bank's ATM?
There is a small fee for using an out-of-network ATM, but the first 2 times each month are free.
That's a great feature.
Is there anything else I can help you with today?
I think that's everything for now. You've been incredibly helpful and made this very easy. Thank you.
It's been my pleasure, Miss Forster. We're happy to have you as a new customer. Welcome to the bank. Thank you.
And they gather their papers and walk away from the counter. That was so much easier than I thought it would be.
You did great. You asked all the right questions.
And now I'm officially a person with a local bank account. It makes me feel much more settled in the new city.
It's a big step. I'm proud of you. Now, how about we celebrate this financial milestone? Coffee is on me.
I'll take you up on that offer.